Hi there, little biscuit. Good morning. Good morning. Get him, get him. Squirmy, squirmy. Let's see about this foot. It's not in the pajama. There. Yeah. Yeah. Now it can flail energetically again. Good morning, little kitty cat. I see you. Kicky, 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 kicky. Nice toot. Nice toot. Kick, kick. Kick, kick. Squirm, squirm. Energetically. This is what I've been sleeping next to since about 5:30 this morning. Varying levels of frustration as she gets hungry and falls asleep and wakes up. Yeah. Kind of like sleeping next to, I don't know, an energetically flailing baby. With kicky kicky, flaily flaily. All morning. I really love you. Got that foot? You got that foot? She catches her toe when she's got her clothes off. So I can catch my toe. I can. Sneeze toot. Sneeze toot. Happens to the best of us, my friend. This little foot won't stay in its pajama foot part thing. And we have our little Pinky Binky. Pinky Binky. It stays close to what us is. It's very good for working on with biggy hands. This is going to be a fun day. I love your face. You want to sing Sissy's song? I love you. I love you. I really, really love you. I missed you. I'm glad to see your face. Good morning.